What it is, what it was, what it could be, guys. My name's Justice and I'm a photographer and videographer here in Sydney. So if you're into that sort of thing, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Today, me and my partner are packing up the car, packing up the dogs, packing up the tents, and we're heading camping. I don't even know what the name of the place is called. I didn't make a reservation for us, so if we get there and we're not allowed to camp, we're just gonna have to find somewhere else to go. Haven't been camping in freaking ages, man. I used to go all the time as a kid and just never have time to do it anymore. I've been craving to take the dogs somewhere where you can let them off the leash, let them run, ride the e-bikes around, you know, just go exploring. Should be a lot of fun, just relaxing, not worrying about school, work, bills, you know, just take your mind off everything, relax. But I still need to pack up the car and get the dogs in the car, so if I don't get going now, we ain't never gonna leave. Okay, we made it here safe and sound. The dogs are running about, Tigger's drinking out the river already. But rule number one of camping, always set up your tent while it's still daylight out. Let's go do some exploring. Rule number two of camping, get your firewood before the light goes down. Do everything before the sun goes down. I promise you, it'll help you out a lot. All right, that ought to do it for firewood. Let's get this bad boy going. The fire is burning. Fire! I reckon it's time to start cooking before it's too dark. Let's throw some burgers on the grill, eh?
campfire burger. Well, I mean, technically that wasn't on the campfire, but it's a camping burger, so essentially it's the same thing, really, when you think about it. Better be careful, Scooby. We eating your cousins, man. She done dropped both of these in the fire, man. One drop. Don't drop the dogs in the fire. Dogs straight in the fire. He got some ketchup and mustard on his face. You hungry, dude? Need a napkin? I don't think it would be camping if we didn't make some s'mores. He's never been camping before.
Excited for s'mores and chocolate.
How you be a grown-ass person and never been camping before, man? I don't get it. The key to s'mores is to not burn the marshmallow, right? These aren't your normal, you know, marshmallows. These are Australian marshmallows, bro. Look at them. Australia also doesn't have graham crackers, so you know, just kind of like normal crackers, and it's all right. It'll do. Oh, pretty successful day. The whole crew is in this little tiny tent. 2 dogs, 2 people. We'll see y'all in the morning. Rise and shine. What a beautiful morning. I got about 10 seconds of sleep last night in total, so I'm pretty tired, but it's okay. Look at all this. Look at this. That'll cheer you up in the morning. I wanted to bring my fishing pole, right? Because this fella likes fishing. But I said, nah, it's just more stuff to bring. We probably won't have time. Bruh, every 2 seconds, oh, there's literally just one right there. Fucking fish jumps out of this water every 2 seconds. Honestly, I'm kind of happy because it would have been too easy, bro. Like, these fish would have been jumping in my lap, so I'm kind of glad I didn't do it. Don't want to do that to them, you know? Let's make some breakfast. Alright, I reckon that's gonna do it for another video. We did pretty much all the basic camping things you can do. We made burgers, we made dogs, we made s'mores, we made pancakes. What else do you want? High-key wish I would have brought my fishing pole because the fish are jumping like crazy, but it would have been too easy, man, I'm telling you. But if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.